How exactly does the behavior of Python bool and numpy bool underscore differ? TLDR, is comparison works with Python bools and doesn't work with numpy bool underscores. Are any other differences exist? I ran into a strange behavior of booleans couple of days ago, when I tried to use is comparison for this numpy array. These variable names are based on fiction and any similarity to real variable names or production code are purely coincidental. I saw this result. It was logical because a 1 is not true or false, it is numpy array. I checked this. This worked as expected. I mentioned this cute behavior and forgot it immediately. Next day I checked trueness of the array elements. Elementary is false for elementary in R1. And it returns me this. Out ... column, false, 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 false. I was really confused because I remembered that in Python arrays, I thought that the problem is in arrays behavior. It works. Out ... column, false, true, false, true. Moreover, it was working in my another numpy array. Out ... column, false, true, false, true, false. When I dived into my array, I unraveled that very cunning underscore was constructed by numpy.object because of couple of non-numeric elements, so it contained Python bools, and a1 was constructed by numpy.bool underscore. So I checked their behavior. Out ... column true. Out ... column true. Numpy underscore waka is true, Python underscore waka is true. And I finally found the difference. Out ... column, false, true. After all of these I have two questions. Do numpy.bool underscore and bool have some other differences in their common behavior? I know that numpy.bool underscore has many numpy functions and parameters, like .t, and others. How one can check if the numpy array contains only numpy booleans, without Pythonic bools? PS, yes, now I know that comparing to true/false with is bad. Don't compare boolean values to true or false using ==. Edit 1. As mentioned in another question, numpy has its own bool underscore type. But the details of this question are a bit different. I found that his statements works differently, but prior to this difference, is there something else is different in common bool underscore and bool behavior? If yes, what exactly?
Note the type. With object type, the elements of the array are Python objects, just like they are in the source list. In the first case, the array type is Boolean. The elements represent Boolean values, but they are not, themselves, Python true/false objects. Strictly speaking, out 119 does not contain np.bool underscore objects. Out 119.1 is type bool underscore, but that's the result of the unboxing. It's what an array indexing produces when you ask for an element. This unboxing distinction is true for all non-object types. Normally we don't create type objects, preferring np.array true, but to follow your example, is a strict test, not just for equality, but identity. Objects of different classes don't satisfy A is test. Objects can satisfy the equals test without satisfying the is test. Let's play with the object type array. In the out129 display, the two false objects display the same, but the out130 test shows they are different. To focus on your questions, np.bool_false is a unique object, but distinct from false. As you note, it has many of the same attributes / methods as np.arrayFalse. If the array type is bool, it does not contain Python bool objects. It doesn't even contain np.bool_objects. However, indexing such an array will produce a bool underscore. And applying item to that in turn produces a Python bool. If the array object type, it most likely will contain Python bool, unless you've taken special steps to include bool underscore objects.
There is some confusion with the variables. What is happening is a confusion between the module and Python. Use this instance variable, type, to check what is it and if is usable on your code. Creating a single variable as a bool variable works just fine. Python reads it correctly. But with lists it can be different. NumPy bool lists are not bool values on a list, as you can see in this example. In order to use a variable from the NumPy list is required a conversion with bool. Quick example of use.
Memo. Test_1. False false true false. False 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 true. Test_2. True 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 true. Test_3. False 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 true. Test_4. True true false false. Test_5. False true.
Another difference is that automatic casting to integers can be done on np.bool but not on np.bool_. This is needed, for example, here.